Automating the most annoying HR paperwork might sound too good to be true, but it's easier than you think. If you're struggling with repetitive tasks like employee onboarding, timesheets, benefits management, or performance reviews, automation is the key to freeing up your time and reducing errors. I've tested a lot of HR software, and trust me, some just don't make the cut. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate all the tedious HR paperwork with software that actually works. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial just for you, my viewers, so you can follow along. First, let's talk about employee onboarding. Traditionally, HR teams spend hours manually collecting personal information, tax forms, and contracts. With the right software, this entire process can be automated. The software automatically sends welcome emails, collects documents, and even sets up accounts for new hires. It's all done without you lifting a finger. Next up, timesheets. How many times have you had to chase employees for their hours or manually input them into a spreadsheet? It's a nightmare. But with automation, timesheet tracking is streamlined. Employees can log their hours through an app, and the software automatically calculates payroll, leaving no room for human error. Moving on to benefits management. Handling employee benefits can be a complex and time-consuming process, but not anymore. With the software we're using today, benefits enrollment, changes, and updates are all automated. Employees can access their benefits packages, make changes, and the system automatically updates their records. No more manual data entry or missed deadlines. Performance reviews are another pain point. HR teams often spend weeks gathering feedback, organizing performance data, and scheduling reviews. With automation, this can be condensed into a few clicks. The software allows you to send out review forms, collect feedback, and even generate performance reports, all with minimal effort. What's great is that all this data is stored in a centralized system, so you can easily access it for reporting and audits. Plus, everything is compliant with labor laws and data protection regulations, so you don't have to worry about legal issues. But you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, in the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. You can follow along and start automating your HR paperwork today. Now, before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Automating your HR paperwork is not just about saving time. It's about improving accuracy, reducing human error, and ultimately freeing up your HR team to focus on more strategic work. Remember, automation is the future, and it's here now. To recap, automate your onboarding process, timesheet tracking, benefits management, and performance reviews with the right software. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and take that first step towards a more efficient HR department today.